Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I'm going to be showing you guys some products that I got from a few different brands, and this is going to be a beauty haul. Most of these are makeup products and I know you guys love beauty hauls, and finally I get to do one again today. And I have a few products from different brands. I have products from Sace Lady, Cathy doll, Lamuseland, which is a product that I just discovered recently, and then I also have some lip tints from different brands, and then some beauty tools. So let's not waste time, let's just go ahead and start with the beauty haul. So I have this box here full of makeup and I just can't wait to show you guys everything that I got. So the first thing that I got from the brand Sace Lady, I actually tried their concealers already. I love Sace Lady concealers. They're just really full coverage, they're super affordable, so you guys should check it out. But I'll just put everything in the description box down below. So the first thing that I got from Sace Lady is this color correcting neutralizing makeup base, and I got the lavender shade because they said lavender as a corrector, it brightens up your skin and it just neutralizes your skin if you have discoloration, if you have uneven skin tone. It's just going to make your skin even and brighter. So this is how it looks like, and I'm not sure if you can see the color because my light is super bright, but let me just fix the light. There you go. So it's a lavender shade and it's supposed to moisturize, brighten your skin, and this specific formula, it says it's lightweight. And actually, out of all the products that I tried from Sace Lady, this is the one that has the biggest bottle because it has 30 ml, and the typical Sace Lady product that I've tried before comes in a small packaging like this one. I don't really have problem with discoloration, but I just want to even out my skin tone. There are those days when I feel like my forehead is slightly darker than the rest of my face, so we're gonna see if this will fix that. And then the next thing that I got is this tinted brow gel. Oh, this tinted brow gel I'm super excited about because it came with, I think this is like 149 pesos. It came with like a ring palette like this, and then it has a brow brush. Let me just look for it. Eyebrow brush, which I really like. This eyebrow brush is actually really good because the tip is really dense and it's super thin, so you can make really precise application with this one. And it's so cute that it came with a ring palette like this. So as you can see, I already used this and it's just so easy to dispense the product here and then just apply it straight from the palette. And plus the brush is really good. It's actually better than all eyebrow brushes that I've ever tried. So this is the tinted brow gel. As you can see, the bottle is really small. First of all, let me just say that I really love Sace Lady packagings. Lately, I've just been so into tiny makeup products. So for me, like the smaller the better, because I have so much makeup products that I don't really use them up, like all of them. Really appreciate it when makeup is like in a tiny packaging or like in a sample size, because even the sample size, I don't really get to finish the whole thing. So I just love products that looks like this, small and cute. The tinted brow gel, I got the shade 04. I got this shade because it's like the one that has less red undertone, because your natural brow color is black. So I really need to use something that looks like this, like a grayish undertone. So it's like a dark gray. Let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is the color. I love this color so much, and this is the palette that it came with. I used it already. It's just small, you can wear it, and then you can actually use this for your foundation as well if you're gonna mix two colors. And then this is the brush that it came with, this one. As you can see, the tip is very small, and then it's very dense, so it's really nice. It's so nice for the seller to give me free eyebrow stencils. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this, but it's so nice that she gave me this because maybe I can use this for someone else if I'm gonna do someone else's makeup. The next thing that I got is this smudge proof eyeshadow primer, and I tried only one eyeshadow primer, one or two eyeshadow primers, the Wet n Wild primer and the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow primer. And the reason why I got this is because the color is like a milky light color. So I think with this color, if I'm using like rainbow colors or more vibrant colors, it's going to make the colors pop even more. And it says here it's oil control, crease proof, pigmented color. So all of these have the same size. Their concealer, their blushes, the liquid blushes, and then the eyebrow gel that I showed you guys earlier, it's in the exact same size as this one. What I really love about their packaging is that it's travel friendly, it's super adorable, and like I said, I love tiny makeup products. That's just my thing lately. So I got that, and then I also got their what's this, 24K gold moist infused elixir. So, and it actually has gold thingies inside. They look like this. And actually I swatched this when I first got it. I thought it was gonna be like a serum or something like that, but it felt oily on my skin, so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna use this. But I think you can mix this with your foundation or something like that, or you can use this as a skincare product. I'm not sure, so we're gonna see about that. Also got 3 of their liquid blushes. So it's called Juicy Liquid Blusher, and I got the shade 02, which is like a mauve color. It looks like this. So it says here natural looking, lightweight, and glides easily. So I'm super excited to use these blushes. When I got this, I thought it was a bit light. So this looks like a mauve rosy color. I really like this. I see myself wearing this if I'm wearing smoky eye makeup looks. And then the next shade that I got is the shade 04. And this is actually my favorite shade out of all the liquid blushes that I got, because this one is the most pigmented one, and this is the one that shows up on my skin really well, because the others are super light. So I really like this, and again, the packaging is super cute, and this is actually the cutest liquid blush packaging that I've ever used. I really like this packaging. And the last color that I got for the liquid blushes is this one, 03. Actually, I'm a bit disappointed with this shade because it's super light. It looks like a pumpkin color, and I have like light skin tone. This will probably work for you, but then even the undertone is super yellow, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this that much. I'll probably mix this in with another liquid blush, but on its own it's super light. Last product that I got is this liquid glow highlighter. It says here radiance, lightweight, and illuminating, and this is the shade 03. They have, I think, 3 shades or 3 or 4 shades, but I just got the golden champagne color. So it looks like this, and as you can see, it has like glitters inside, so it's more of like glittery than highlight. So we're now gonna move on to, oh, I actually forgot one more thing. So and last, from Sace Lady, I got the All Matte Pore Invisible Face Primer. So this is just one of those pore filling primers. It's very similar to the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. And yeah, it feels like silicone-y, something like that. So I can't wait to try those. So that's everything from Sace Lady. We're now going to move on to Miss Rose. And this brand has been very popular, especially in Europe. A lot of girls from Europe order this brand. And based on Aliexpress, this is just like one of the best sellers when it comes to their lipsticks and makeup products. I have here 7 shades. And first, I'm going to show you guys the shade Americano 52. And this is just like an orangey brown. I'm a really big fan of shades like this. It reminds me a lot of the MAC Cosmetics packaging, their lipsticks. So that is the lipstick, and as you can see, the lipstick is exactly the same color as the actual tube, so that's really nice. And then the next shade that I got is called Orchid Number 33. This is a nude shade, like a pinkish nude. I also got the shade Hannah 38. This is like a nude skin tone shade, and this might be too light for me, but this will look really nice with smoky eyes. And then I also got the shade Love Bug, and this is like an orangey brown shade, but this is slightly brighter than the shade Americano. But I really like this shade. So what? Wait. Okay, so the next shade is called Deeper, and I actually think they got some shade names from ColourPop. So this is Beeper 48, and this is the shade Beeper, and it's like a nude mauve pink. So I really like that, and I've been getting into nude pinks lately, but with a mauve tint, not like a bright pink. So I have here the shade 50 Loved. There. Actually, all the shades that I got look very similar, but they're really not once you swatch it. So this is like an earthy toned red, wearable red color. This is one of my favorite shades, and my mom actually really liked this, and she asked me to get her the same shade as well. And then the last shade that I have here is called Kiss Me Stupid. And do you guys know any brand that has the same name, like shade of lipstick? So this is the shade Kiss Me Stupid. Again, this is a rosy color with a mauve tint, but like a darker shade. I really like this color. And so that's everything that I got from the brand Miss Rose. Next package that I have here is from the brand Lamuseland, and you guys are gonna freak out when you see these lipsticks. So these are just liquid lipsticks. Oh my gosh, the reason why I got these is because of the tiny packaging. And you guys know my obsession for tiny makeup products. Isn't this the most adorable liquid lipstick set ever? It's like super tiny, and yeah, that's literally how small it is in real life. If I bring it really close to the camera, it looks like it's a big liquid lipstick, but really this is just how small it is right there. And the lipsticks are super tiny as well. So actually it has a set. This is their mini lip gloss demo set, and I got the set B. So they have set A, B, C, D, and they have a set of reds, pinks, and nudes, but it's got the nude set. I'm trying to bring this forward so you guys can see how small they are. But these are the shades from this set. This is the shade Taupe, and by the way, this is the brand name Lamuseland. There you go. So it also comes with a shade called Brave, and then the last one is called Touch. They remind me so much of the liquid lipsticks from Golden Rose, so these are the Golden Rose liquid lipsticks, and these are the Lamuseland liquid lipsticks. These are all super tiny, but when I tried to put them side by side, the Golden Rose is actually slightly smaller than Lamuseland. So this is the size difference. As you can see, Golden Rose is slightly shorter, but they're almost exactly the same. And aside from this set, how can I not get the 12 shades of their mini liquid lipsticks? We also have this set of 12 lipsticks. Those are the shades, so I'm going to do a separate review for these. Okay, so these are the 12 shades that you will get from the set, and they are all super cute, as you can see. And I can't wait to try these and do lip swatches and review these lippies for you guys. But as you can see, it comes with so many different colors. You have reds, pinks, orange, and nude. So it also has some metallic or like shimmery shades, like 2 shimmery shades only. So can't wait to try those. So that's everything that I got from the brand Lamuseland. And then we're gonna move on to, I actually have so many more products to show you guys. Like, I don't even know where to start. I think we're gonna start with this one. So if you guys know, I already talked about this sponge, the microfiber sponge. I actually got some backups for this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backups of the microfiber sponges. I told you guys I'm gonna get backups for the gray one. Okay, but the problem with this is that the microfibers on this part just fell. Like, there's no microfibers in it anymore, only on the sides. But I still use this for my foundation almost every day. It works. I still use it. It's still very, very soft. So I don't regret buying these. I didn't know that the microfibers on this part will all fall off. So it's just like a rubber texture right now. Not like the microfiber sponge anymore. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. And then I also got a couple of lip tints. So lately I've just been a fan of lip tints just because they look so natural. And then if I'm wearing super heavy makeup and I can't decide what lipstick to wear, I always end up wearing a lip tint just because I feel like it doesn't add extra weight to my lips, and again, it just feels and looks super natural. So 3 right here. So the first one is this Pretty Secret Lip and Cheek Tint. It says here, leaves a lasting rosy color on your lips and cheeks. So I got the shade Rosy Red and this pinkish red but more in red. But this is, I think, 99 pesos. Super affordable. You can get this from Watson's. And then the other one that I got is from Cathy doll. This is their Sweet Aqua Tint. And I really like this one because it has the shape of a candy. And I thought that was so cute. This is their lip tint. Super nice and cute. I'm not really sure what brand came out with this similar packaging, but I really like this candy packaging. So the color is actually kind of neon, which is great. It really brightens up your face, so I really like that. This is the shade 01 Strawberry. Also got this Cathy doll makeup remover, toner, and serum foam cleanser. And I already tried this. And the reason why I got this is because it says here makeup remover, toner, and serum foam cleanser. And it has everything that I'm looking for when it comes to cleaning my face and removing my makeup. Because I've always been wondering if there's any makeup brand or skincare brand will ever come out with one-step cleansing routine that will remove all traces of makeup and just rub and wash. I wanted a product that you'll just apply on your face and then rub and then wash, and that's it. It's going to remove all traces of makeup, even waterproof makeup. So I am hoping that this will be it. So last for lip tints, I have this Peri Para lip tint, which my brother's girlfriend gave me. She's super sweet. She actually gave me recently, where is that? This Gudetama hand cream and lip balm. I think she got this from Japan, I think. But this is like a hand cream. So as you can see, the packaging is super cute. I like it. It's actually by Sanrio here. So this is the hand cream, which has teeth, which is so cute, by the way. Like, where can you find that? And it smells so good, super fresh. So I really like that. And then it came with this lip balm, which looks like an egg as well. This one reminds me of those EO lip balms, and this is super moisturizing. And it smells exactly the same as the hand cream, which is super nice. So thank you so much to my brother's girlfriend for that. For the lip tint, she got me the shade Pink Juice. And I think this one she got from Korea. And I haven't tried anything from Peri Para, but again, Japan and Korea, they just have the best packaging when it comes to their cosmetic products. I'm obsessed with lip tints. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. So that is it for my beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to do more beauty hauls, just let me know. Or if there's any particular brand that you guys want to see on my channel, just let me know and I'll definitely check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!